Alright, we are 7.3 and we're now going to get into our balance sheet columns. So in 7.1 we did our trial balance, which again is just from your general ledgers. In 7.2 we calculated our adjustments on a couple of things that changed from the beginning of the month to the end of the month. And when we think of doing our balance sheet, remember from chapter 1 and chapter 2, we have our assets, we have our liabilities, and we have our owner's equity, which is found on that document. Well, it just so happens that when we go in order of our general ledgers, our balance sheet is the first ones that we're going to do. So what we're going to basically do here to create our balance sheet columns is we're going to take our trial balance and we're going to bring it over. Now, whatever values are there, we're going to put in here unless there's an adjustment. An adjustment means that we've lost some of that value. So in this case here, you can see that cash never changed. Petty cashed in, our accounts receivable stayed the same. Now this is where we have a little bit of an issue, right? Our supplies start at 4,751, but from 7.2 we were told that we had supplies on hand of 2,187. So we calculated that adjustment. That 2,187 is now going to be on our balance sheet. That's what we now have. Same thing happens with our prepaid insurance. We end up having $1,100 there. We now have our accounts payable. Again, accounts payable does have a credit balance, so that's why we have $1,360 on the right. We're then going to have $20 there. Remember, our capital, our $10,000 also has a credit balance, and then our drawing is back on the debit side. So again, that is creating our balance sheet column, simply taking our assets, our liabilities, and owner's equity, our top accounts here from our general ledgers, and bringing them over to our balance sheet column and decreasing any adjustments that we need to do that we did in 7.2. So that is balance sheet columns for your worksheet.